Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Yes, nail fungus is very unpleasant. I'll show you what my grandma did back then. Make sure to like and subscribe. She took half a lemon and put it in one container. Then she cut a clove of garlic into thin slices and stuck it in the lemon. Today I know that lemon and garlic have an antibacterial and antifungal effect. After she did that, she took 1 tea tree oil and has approximately add 10 to 15 drops to the lemon. And then our apple cider vinegar was used. Then she covered it and left it overnight. The next day, she took out the individual slices, applied to the nails, and fixed with a plaster, and left it on all day until later.